Hi, it's Mike Pangia, and today we're going to make that old favorite cinnamon rolls. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make these cinnamon rolls. We're going to start our dough with 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. Now, not hot, you don't want to kill the yeast. 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1 package of quick-acting yeast. Mix that all up. A 1/2 stick of melted butter. 1 egg yolk plus 1 whole egg. Now we'll mix this on low speed till it's combined. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt. 3 cups of flour. Now we'll mix that at low speed until it all comes together. Let's switch to the dough hook. Let's give it about 8 minutes to knead. Let's take the dough and transfer it to a lightly oiled bowl. Roll it around a little so it all gets coated with the oil. Cover it with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel and give it about 90 minutes or until it doubles in size. Now we'll want to combine 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar with 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. Floured work surface. Press this thing out. We want to end up with about a 9 by 14 inch dough. Now I'm going to spread out about 2 ounces of softened butter in a thin layer. Leave about 3/4 of an inch at the far end. Now we're going to spread our sugar and cinnamon uniformly all over this thing. Press it in. And now from the long end, we're going to roll it up in a tight roll. Now, to square it up, let's cut about 1.5 inches off of each end. Slice our roll into pieces just over 1 inch thick. Now I'm going to lightly spray a 9 by 9 baking pan. Now we'll cover these with plastic wrap for about 30 minutes. Give them an opportunity to do a last rise. Uncover and bake for 22 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius. Let's make our frosting. We're going to start with about 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 3 tablespoons of softened butter, three-quarters of a cup of powdered sugar. We're going to mix that till it's smooth and creamy. Depending on how far along you are in the process, you can refrigerate this frosting for a while until you need it. Now let's frost these bad boys. Shall we try one out? Look at how beautifully fluffy this is. Is that good? There you have it. You've made something really, really good, really impressive. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next time. And I want to remind you, if you like the stuff you've been seeing on my channel, please subscribe. Thanks again.